Hola. Today we're looking at an excerpt from the poem Versos, sencillos, simple verses, from the poet José Martí. He was a Cuban poet, un poeta cubano. And in this assignment, you'll read the poem and answer the questions based on that poem, and also you'll be answering in Spanish. Now, you should be able to write these answers fairly easily. It may take a little thought, but use what you know, show what you know in your answers, and then submit them. So you will be just typing in your answers and entering them directly and then submitting those answers. So it's not like a multiple choice kind of activity. And nor is this just one to skip. This is actually an assignment, and you must complete it for a grade, and if not, you'll just get a 0. So please make sure you complete this submission too. But this video is just to help you understand what to do. So first of all, I'm going to just read this excerpt from the poem too. This isn't the whole thing, it's just an excerpt. This is actually a song that was created with with the words from this poem, and I will link it to this assignment as well so you can enjoy it. Versos sencillos. Cultivo una rosa blanca en julio como en enero, para el amigo sincero que me da su mano franca, y para el cruel que me arranca el corazón con que vivo, cardo ni ortuga cultivo una rosa blanca. Alright, so you'll notice in this poem you'll have the footnotes here. These notes, you can see what the meaning for those words are on the bottom of the poem. So sencillos means simple. Arranca is pulls out. Arrancar, to pull out. And corazón is heart. Number 4, cardo is a thistle. And number 5, ortiga is a nettle. It's a thorny plant. So we're able to understand what's going on with this, right? It's talking about growing, cultivating, cultivo, right? I am growing, I cultivate. White rose, una rosa blanca. Okay, so you have some fairly simple questions here. ¿Cuáles son los cognados que te ayudan a entender el poema? What are some cognates? Now, cognates are words that look similar in English and Spanish and mean the same thing. So, for example, versos, verses. Cultivo, cultivate. Rosa, rose. Julio, July. Sincero, sincere. What else we have? Cruel, cruel. And there's some other ones, of course, that you can go with. Even mano, like manual, having to do with the hands. Mano means hands, hand in Spanish. So what are the cognates that you've seen that will help you to understand the poem? Number 2. Número 2. ¿Qué le da el poeta a un buen amigo? Right? What's the poet give to a good friend? Y al cruel, and to the cruel one. Look in the poem for the answer. Número 3. ¿Qué palabras riman en el poema? What words rhyme? So we're looking for, and all you do is just give the pairs of words, right? Blanca, franca, arranca, for example. So we have 3 that rhyme right there, and then there's some more that rhyme as well. We'll just list them out. We'll list the ones that rhyme out in a group. Número 4. ¿Te gusta el poema? ¿Por qué? Right? Do you like the poem or not? Answer the question in Spanish, right? Me gusta or no me gusta, and then say why. You can use a description like es, it is, and then give the description. So you're using es to say it is, and then tell me what you think about the poem. Yeah, an idea might be interesante, right? Es interesante. And of course, there's many other things. Of course, you can say that you don't like the poem, and either way you answer, just give some kind of reason. You only need to have one reason. It doesn't have to be anything complex at all. I might say this: Me gusta el poema porque es interesante, for example. And there's, of course, many other things you can say. Think of your adjectives, and if you need to, you can always look something up as well. Okay, that should be it for this assignment. Make sure that you submit the text for your answers numbers 1 through 4, and just type in your answer for the submission. Gracias.